Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and we want to present our project about CodeIgniter against Laravel. Before we present our project, let me introduce myself. My name is Emil Suhendra.
Hello, my name is Diki Kurniawan, and framework is a set of functions that make it easier for programmer or web application developer. Functions that are in the framework such as plugin and concept. The concept in question aim to build a system so that it can be developed in a neat and structured manner. Apart from providing functionality, the framework also provides library and other tools that you need when developing web application. And for example, framework is CodeIgniter and Laravel, where both of these frameworks use the same MVC method to develop website, but there are differences in the application and the tools. Let's get to know what is CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter speeds up the website development process. This framework is based on PHP based on array of library and more packages. This library can be called during the web application development process. CodeIgniter uses the model view controller MVC architecture. Apart from that, this framework also adds layer logic into your web application. This layer is useful when parallelizing certain process in the web application development process and contributing to a cleaner application design. This is what makes web application developed with CodeIgniter look so responsive to business change. And for Laravel is development process aims to simplify web application development. But not only that, Laravel also make the web application development process more elegant, fun, and expressive. Laravel is known as a dynamic framework, something that is constantly changing and developing actively. This framework is also famous for its complete and always update documentation. Laravel uses MVC or model view controller too, like CodeIgniter, but Laravel, which is equipped with command line tool called is Artisan, which can be used for packaging bundle and installing bundle via the command prompt.
First, file structure of CodeIgniter. The following image shows the file structure in CodeIgniter. First, application. This is the directory that will contain your application logic. All of your application code will be contained in this directory. Second, system. This folder contains the framework core files. It is not advised to make a change in this directory or put your own application code into this directory. Third, user guide. This directory contains the user manual for CodeIgniter. For vendor, this directory contains Composer package, source code. The other files related to this directory are Compose.json and Composer log. 5. Index.php. This is the entry point into the application. Next, CodeIgniter application subdirectories. In this section, we will look at the internal subdirectories in CodeIgniter directory structure. First, sketch stores sketch files. Config keeps configuration files. Control all application controls are defined in this controller. Core contains custom core classes that extend system file. For example, if you create a base controller that other controllers should extend, then you will place it in this directory. Helpers. This directory of CodeIgniter for folders structure is used for user-defined helper function. Next, hooks used for custom hooks in CodeIgniter folder structure. And then language used to store language file for application that use more than one language. Next, libraries used to store custom create libraries. Logs, application log files are kept in this directory. Models, all application models should be defined in this directory. Third party, this is used for custom mini package that you or other developer have created. And then views. Views is application. Views go into this directory. Next, CodeIgniter system subdirectories. Let's now look at system subdirectories in CodeIgniter file structure. Core. This is like the heart of the CodeIgniter framework. All of the core file that makes up framework are located in here. If you would like to extend the functionality of the core file, then you need to create a custom core file in the application directory. After that, you can override and or add new behavior that you wish. You should never make change directly in here. Database driver, cache, and all other files needed for database operation are provided in here. Fonts, as the name suggests, this directory contains fonts and information relating to fonts. Helpers, this directory in CodeIgniter folder contains helper functions that come out of the box. Language contains language files that are used by the framework. Libraries contains the source files for the various libraries that come with CodeIgniter out of the box. Next, CodeIgniter user guide directory. These files serve as a reference guide for you when you want to understand the CodeIgniter API. You should not upload this directory when deploying your application. That's all from me. The next slide will be presented by Diki Kurniawan.
And file structure CodeIgniter and Laravel. CodeIgniter doesn't have file like Laravel, where is file is database, resource, routes, storage, test, and vendor. But Laravel doesn't have file too, write table like CodeIgniter. And for installation CodeIgniter and Laravel, they have a same which is using Composer for installing CodeIgniter and Laravel. And for local server, CodeIgniter use PHP Spark Serve for local development server, and for Laravel use PHP Artisan Serve for local development server. And this is a different database migration on CodeIgniter and Laravel. Where is CodeIgniter to be complex syntax for database migration. This is simple Laravel code migration database. And for difference between CodeIgniter and Laravel, this is CodeIgniter is object oriented, whereas Laravel is relational object oriented. And CodeIgniter doesn't come with built-in authentication feature, whereas Laravel comes with authentication class feature. And CodeIgniter doesn't have an unbuilt unit testing tool, while Laravel has inbuilt unit testing tool. And for CodeIgniter is object-oriented, event-driven functional, while Laravel is component-oriented. And this is for CodeIgniter is easy to learn for beginner, whereas Laravel offers many addition features that are difficult to learn for beginner. And for calculation, Laravel and CodeIgniter are two different frameworks designed for different use cases. While CodeIgniter doesn't facilitate ORM, and Laravel allow a web developer to gain the benefit of eloquent object relational mapping ORM. Similarly, CodeIgniter requires its developers to form and uphold the module by utilizing modular extension, while Laravel is fabricated with inbuilt modularity characteristic. For CodeIgniter, this is a good performance. It's very fast. It may even be considered the fast framework currently available. And for Laravel has many features that for use to develop application, that's why Laravel is very reliable to create applications that are quite complex. Thank you for watching